Hey, what's up, everybody? This video is part of a series of videos dealing with personal finances and personal budgeting. I'm going to put this same intro at the beginning of each video. So one, if you've already watched the intro, you can go ahead and skip to today's topic. Two, if you see my clothes change or the nice virtual background change, the reason will be because I recorded the rest of the video on a different day than I did this introductory video. So the point of this series is simply to do very quick, hopefully 2 to 5 minute videos where we discuss a lot of topics dealing with personal budgeting and personal finances. So I'm going to record all of these. I have probably over 20 ideas for these really short videos. I'm going to release one a day over the next 3 to 5 weeks. And if there's a topic that you want to hear about, please go ahead and post it in the comments. Maybe it's one that I have coming up, and then I'll release that one in the future. Or perhaps it's something that I haven't talked about or thought about on my list, and I can address that as I continue the series. So without any further comments, let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. Here we are. I believe we're on day 10, video 10 of this series of personal budgeting, putting out a video every day for the next probably 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, maybe even. Depends on how many topics I have. I know I already have enough for a whole month for 4 weeks of videos every single day. And if you put comments in on the videos with things that I don't have, that's going to add to that. Or as I think of other things, that's going to add to it. So welcome to day 10. We're finally at you creating a budget. Now go back and watch the first time videos. They are critical. That is your foundation for success as you embark on this new budget journey. Now, if you've already been budgeting, you're just looking for some tips to improve and get more efficient and reach your goals easier or better, whatever. That's fine. But if you've never really done this, or you've done it and you haven't been able to stick with it, you've got to go back and rewatch those 9 videos. That is your foundation. Okay, so now we're finally creating a budget. What I recommend is you are going to have a static budget. Okay, mine is in a spreadsheet. It's in a Google spreadsheet where that is my monthly template. Okay, you can change, things can adjust for real life because you might overspend, you might underspend, you might decide that you want your priorities to change. All that is perfectly fine. Remember, this is your budget. It's not mine. It's not Dave Ramsey's. It's not some YouTube guru or some talking head on the radio. This is your budget. You're in control of it. And so it can flex. But you're going to have, it's not static. It is a flexible, moldable, soft, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's static in the sense of you've got your monthly template. This is your goal budget right now, as of today, for what you're going to budget every single month. Now, I will put a link to a template. I've been using this template for probably 15, 16, 17 years. I got it from Crown Financial. I don't think they're still in existence, but basically I just took their worksheet, created it in, the Google spreadsheet, and that's where my monthly budget lives. And this is what I allocate to these categories every month. So you're going to sit down, you've got your kind of history. We didn't really talk about how long to do your transaction tracking, but for a few months, 3, 4, 5 months, to get a good kind of sense of where you're spending your money, what the average amount is each month. And so you're going to want to do that for a few months. So now you can sit down and you can start to allocate out the money. All right. So that is going to be the next step. You've got your budget worksheet, get that set up, get your categories that you've already created into this budget worksheet. And then tomorrow and the next day, we're going to talk about how to start putting numbers in each one of these categories, buckets, envelopes, whatever you want to call them, that is going to create your current monthly template for your budget and your financial goals in your life. My name is Brad. I'm with Wooten CPA. My goal is to bring peace to your tax and accounting responsibilities. One of the ways I do that is through these videos here on YouTube. Please like this video, share this video for others to see, and subscribe to the channel if you would. That way you're also notified when new videos come out. There will be over 20 in this series of personal finance and personal budgeting that I'm going to try to keep in that 2 to 5 minute window, so they'll be easy to digest for you. Hopefully that they are helpful for you, and I appreciate you watching the videos.